Okay, let's see how flexible is this xb6266 scanner to be used in the actual real life environment. Just in case your disk grader faulty or you're missing out this grader during your operation, so this 6266 scanner actually can be converted to a wired scanner by using a standard USB-C cable. Okay, what you need to do basically, just plug in the USB-C cable into here. Okay, and then the other end connect to the USB-A connector. Okay, now you ready to scan. Okay, so the whole connection is USB connection now. So it's either wire or wireless scanner. It can be a wired scanner. Okay, just in case you don't have USB-C to USB-A cable, which we can use the latest USB-C, USB-C cable. Connect it, and then so you see the data will be flowing to the computer. We use USB-C, USB-C cable.